Welcome back to Mama Tando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Mina ngingumama uThando. Lo nguKhomba. Wena ungubani? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Mngani, let's greet all our friends around the world by singing the Sawubona song. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Yebo, sawubona mngani. Mngani, unjani? How are you? Unjani? Well, I think the best thing to do is to sing the Imizwa Yethu song, and then we can answer that question. Imizwa Yethu. Imizwa Yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani? Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani? Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani? Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. Now I'll ask that question again. Unjani? Thank you for letting me know. Ngiyabonga mngani. Mina, ngiyagodola. I am cold. It is such a cold day. Ngiyagodola. Now, mngani, I would like us to go through the days of the week, but I would like us to say them a little faster today. Not fast as in like, no, not like that, but rather in the normal speaking pace. Now, I'm going to read each word of the day of the week, and then I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. Make sure you pay attention to how I am moving my mouth so that you can also copy and learn how to say the word. Now, let's start, mngani. Isonto. Umsombuluko. UlweSibili. UlweSithathu. UlweSine. UlweSihlanu. UMgqibelo. Very, very good, mngani. That was great. Now, mngani, izolo bekuwumsombuluko. And we said umsombuluko with a W before the word umsombuluko because we want to say is Monday. If we just simply say namhlanje umsombuluko, oh, like saying today Monday. No, no. Let's not say that. Sounds weird, actually. So make sure that you always put that W if the word starts with U. And if the word starts with I, always write Y before it, so that we are saying a correct, grammatically correct sentence by saying namhlanje umsombuluko. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Monday. We must make sure we have that is, that was in our sentence. Now, mngani, let's have a look at those days now. We've already said that izolo bekuwumsombuluko because, well, that's when we last saw each other. It was Monday, umsombuluko. Now, let's say that together. Izolo bekuwumsombuluko. Good job, mngani. Uma izolo bekuwumsombuluko, kuThangi bekuwulwesingaki? Yebo mngani, one day before that was Sunday, isonto. And we remember mngani to put that Y there to say yisonto. Now let's repeat after me. kuThangi bekuyisonto. Great job, mngani. Now look at this. Uma kuThangi bekuyisonto, izolo bekuwumsombuluko, namhlanje ulwesingaki? Yebo, ulwesibili. Now mngani, repeat this after me. Namhlanje ulwesibili. Yebo mngani, ulwesibili namhlanje. Ulwesibili, ulwesibili, ulwesibili namhlanje. Ulwesibili, ulwesibili, ulwesibili namhlanje. Yebo mngani, ulwesibili namhlanje. Uma namhlanje kuwulwesibili, kuzobe kuwulwesingaki kusasa? Yebo mngani, kusasa kuzobe kuwulwesithathu. Now mngani, repeat this after me. Kusasa kuzobe kuwulwesithathu. Great job mngani. You did that so really well. Now mngani, I would like to know, linjani izulu namhlanje? What's the weather like namhlanje? Yebo mngani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Linjani, linjani izulu namhlanje? Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje? Yebo mngani, how about you go and check? You can look out the window and then come right back and tell me what the weather is like where you are. Don't worry, I'll be right here waiting for you. Linjani, linjani, izulu namhlanje. How? You're just way too quick namhlanje mngani. Linjani izulu namhlanje. Oh, nice. Mngani, I don't think it looks good outside because I can tell you right now, here, right where I am, ngiyakotola, I am feeling cold. So let's call the imaginary window and see what the weather is like outside. Let's call him together. Remember to say come. In isiZulu we say woza. Now let's call him together. Imaginary window, woza. Siyawubona imaginary window. ngicela ukubona emnyango. Look at that. Yo, mngani. Same as izolo. Liyabanda. Imaginary window. Ngiyabonga. Hamba kahle. Oh, mngani. It's cold still. Liyabanda. Liyabanda. Repeat that after me, mngani. Liyabanda. Very good, mngani. Now, how do we say that in a full sentence and say today the weather is cold? We say namhlanje izulu liyabanda. Let's put that on the board, mngani. Now, mngani, repeat this after me. Namhlanje izulu liyabanda. Very good, mngani. Great job. Makes sense for it to be cold all the time because it's winter in the southern hemisphere. Eningizimu, the word south in isiZulu is ningizimu. Eningizimu, the south. Now, mngani, the winter in isiZulu is ubusika. Ubusika. Repeat that after me, mngani. Ubusika. Very good, mngani. Now, mngani, moving on to something else now. I would like you to meet a friend of mine. Let me call her over. Mngani, meet umngani wami, my friend, uSelesele. Selesele, meet my friends. Mngani, say hello to Selesele.
Sanibonani bangani.
Oh, mngani, I'm so glad that you get to meet my friend. I am so excited to share what my friend has been up to. Now, Selesele, do you want me to tell my friends or do you want to tell them? Okay. I'll tell them myself. Selesele is going to spend this whole year traveling the whole continent of Africa. How cool is that, mngani? Yeah, and so as she travels, she is going to let us know how things are where she is. That would be so cool, don't you think? Yeah, mngani. I want to know what the weather is like where Selesele is. Selesele, ukephi namhlanje?
Namhlanje ngiseGibhithe mamuthanda.
Oh, uSelesele says useGibhithe. eGibhithe is Egypt in isiZulu. eGibhithe. Repeat that after me, mngani. eGibhithe. Very good, mngani. Linjani izulu namhlanje eGibhithe?
Namhlanje izulu lihle kakhulu. Wonke umuntu usolwandle namhlanje.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Did you hear that? Wow. I would love to have summer right now, mngani. Don't you think that would be great? Yeah. But now, remember, where is Egypt? Egypt is in the northern hemisphere. Enyakatho, in the north. Enyakatho. Repeat that after me. Inyakatho is the north. Inyakatho. Now to say in the north, we say enyakatho. So we just change that I at the beginning, that prefix, and we just say enyakatho, in the north. So in the northern hemisphere right now, it's summer. When we are having winter, they have summer. When we are having summer, they have winter. So it's really going to be exciting to see what uSelesele gets up to in the summer over there. So Hey mngani, ugqoke kahle. Ugqoke kahle. Tshela abangani ukuthi ugqokeni.
Izibuko eziwolintshi. Ngigqoke isikipha esiwolintshi, ibhulukwe eliluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka, ophaka.
Wow, uyezwa. Uselesele ugqoke izinto zesama, izinto zehlobo. That's correct mngani. Ihlobo is the summer in isiZulu. Well mngani, let's not keep Selesele here for a long time. I'm sure she really wants to go and enjoy herself in Egypt, eGibhithe. So let's say bye to her together. Hamba kahle Selesele.
Salani kahle bangani.
Ngani, it was so great to introduce you to my friend. I am so glad you got to meet her. Now, Ngani, moving on to the sound of the week. The sound of the week is made up of these two letters, C and H together. So when I'm saying these two letters, I'm saying there's no other consonant around them. You will only find vowels around them. This sound is made like this. You lift your tongue, very, very soft tongue. Lift it up behind these front two teeth. Let it touch the teeth. Don't press hard on them. Just touch the teeth. Right there at the back. And then very lightly suck your teeth a little bit. Like you're pulling your tongue a little bit to the back. Now, Mngani, be very careful that you don't make the sound C on its own. This one has an H to it, so it's going to sound softer. And it's going to sound as if you're blowing out a bit. Now, let's say this sound with onkamisa vowels. Repeat after me. Great job, Mngani. Keep working on it, and I know you're going to ace it very soon. Now let's learn two words with this sound. Chichima. Chichima. That is a verb. Isenzo, which is to overflow, to boil over. So think about it. If you are boiling water, say in a pot, and then the water is rumbling and rumbling and rumbling, and then it boils over. Chichima. Also, think about this. Say you're pouring something in a cup or a glass, and you pour and pour and pour, and then you make a big mess, and it overflows. So, chichima is to overflow. Repeat after me, Mngani. Chichima. Very good, Mngani. Another word with the same sound is chita. 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 That is to throw away, to discard something, also to spill something. Chita. Now, repeat that after me, Mngani. Chita. Very, very good, Mngani. One more. This one is funny. Now, we learned that to say no in isiZulu, we say cha. Cha. But this one doesn't simply say no. This one is no way. And it is kababo. 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 Repeat that after me, Mngani. Kababo. Very good, Mngani. Very, very good. Now, we're moving on to the number of the day. The number of the day is ishumi nesithupha. 16. Ishumi nesithupha. We learned our numbers from iqanda, 0, and all the way. And we learned that the numbers from 1 to 9 units, of course, as you know. We then keep using them, of course, as we carry on to say the numbers. But now, when we get to 10, ishum, we then start saying a 10 and 1 unit, a 10 and 2 units, so 11, 12. And they have 3 parts to it. A 10, ishumi. We also have the number, and then we also have the unit, which is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, whatever. But between these two, there is na, and that is and in isiZulu. Now, let's say our numbers starting from iqanda all the way to 16, ishumi nesithupha. I'm going to say these numbers, Mngani, in a normal speaking pace. And I will ask you to also try to do that and keep up with me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye, ishumi, ishumi nanye, ishumi nambili, ishumi nantathu, ishumi nane, ishumi nanhlanu, ishumi nesithupha. Oh, wonderful, Mngani. You did great, Mngani. You did so well. Halala. You did amazingly well, Mngani. Mngani, keep practicing these numbers in isiZulu. Whenever you need to add up numbers, say them in isiZulu. Like this. Add 5 and 9. What's the answer? Of course, it's 14. But what are you going to say? You will then say to yourself, ishumi nane. Now, Mngani, just remember that isithupha is 6, and it is also the thumb in isiZulu. And so it is the number that we get when we put the thumb up. Isithupha. Now, Mngani, I think we've done really well with the numbers. I think we should sing Izinombolo ngesiZulu and dance along. Izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu, izinombolo ngesiZulu, bala kanye nami. Kunye,
kunye,
kubili,
kubili,
kuthathu,
kuthathu,
kune,
kune,
kuhlanu,
kuhlanu,
isithupha,
isithupha,
isikhombisa,
isikhombisa,
isishiya galombili,
isishiya galombili,
isishiya galolunye,
isishiya galolunye,
ishumi,
ishumi,
Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Mngani, it's been a wonderful lesson. I am really, really proud of you. You are doing so very well. But now, before you go, let's move our bodies and stretch a little bit.
Sukuma, shaya izandla, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, jikeleza, jikeleza, eceleni, gijima, zilule, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, zilule, jikeleza, jikeleza, shaya izandla, eceleni, jikiza, jikiza, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, shaya izandla, thumba kabili, eceleni, shona phansi, phezulu, eceleni, zilule, zilule, phefumula, phefumula, hlala phansi.
Great, Mngani. You are amazing, Mngani. Clap your hands for yourself. Shaya izandla. Wonderful, Mngani. I will see you tomorrow. Ngizokubona kusasa. Sala kahle.